Okay, before I go, I want to cut a slice of this. Okay, guys. This is what that pie is looking like. It's not completely chilled, guys, but I just want to let you guys know. And I'm just going to taste a piece. This is good before it's completely chilled. It is so good, guys. I just wish you guys could just taste the piece. Just look at that. I can eat this entire pie by myself. It is just that good. Okay, guys. I'm signing off. And I thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank all of you guys for hanging in there with me. And I hope that by you watching this video, this will give you some type of idea on something that you don't have to bake. You can leave the strawberry glaze off and just go with just the cream cheese. Or you can leave off the banana pudding. It's just your preference, but I promise you, it tastes so good with that banana in it. So, this is Mary Precious Jones signing off. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.